Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Bemo be kontona Tony kontonla bidi maso ula rola. Niaje nga following na national anthem la laftale Ningambianko be we reflect back on Gambia. Reflection olomu, we both have to reflect together. Because not title omu minti, let us reflect on the pre-election. Before election, al nga try nga reflection o kebang nga mira. Mune ben election o mba kelano in a peaceful atmosphere. Ani mune ba tinandla na election o ate kelano in a peaceful atmosphere. Animbe mune suspect kang anim coming kuolu minuli ya longo skeno advantage and disadvantage into our election. Normally, election shouldn't divide people. Until nga election sifanya di Lesotho Gambia. We have presidential. We have parliamentary. Mayoral election. Councilor elections. Nilomu government ka electional minul conduct. Before, watumo chieftaincy electional fanal ka kele. Sefol fanal kata electional. They don't select them, but they elect them. But sign, Sefol ka select le. Wale atina Sefol buka tonya Londino sign. They have a problem. Their hands are tied. Because public may keje mole select aye keje wale kake president through local government minister. So, Barry, let's make a reflection pre-election. Because we are anticipating ko ni ala mbenio siala on the 4th of December, there is going to be an election in Gambia. Bari mimman koy mol la hanisay, how many candidates are going to contest in that election? Bari nga ajele, so many political parties have been created. So nyantale nga mira nyindulala. Ay niaje bi nga nyin topiko sambana, a lot of people wolle ka finti. Ika silang. Ha Musa ikonyi nebe caring, ha Sedili ikonyi nebe caring, ha Bamba Masi ikonyi nebe caring, ha Sana Jaju ikonyi nebe caring, ha Hadi Demba ikonyi nebe caring, ha Jare Sane ikonyi nebe caring. So molu katara kumolu fola pour molu sila. So akati nandila dolbeje election ko dal ilafta give up la. Ilafta ka give up. So it is something mi alonko banko molu nyantale niya kacha. Although it's the same, Africa electiono akake jama violence let. Because molu minul katra in power. Ibukalaf bola power. Why do they don't want to leave that power? Why they want to stay in that power? Why ikalafika stay power to fo itelief yelafi falaje? Why? Because of ika minke, most of the malpractices ika minke in their office. Wale ka tinna ibukalaf bola office o nyundo, so that nobody will know. Nyine kakela problem oti. Nyine kakela problem oti. So we have a problem in Africa. So this is why nyanta nge remind ngaitandila ko ntelimil kal elekal put into those powers, we are very much aware. So alinge engage. So mune kakentela election la advantage and disadvantage. So lafita ni mole ole kacha. B. Gambia kana election la de. Kuma jama balle be fokan Gambia. Kuma jama. Kuma jama balle be fokan. Yes. But mune ati na kuma jama bebe fokan. Because the kind of leadership nka min soto. In the first place, Ebuka Banko mol sensitize. Why election obekela? Andung mol minul ka election conduct. Jama beje Banko mol buka lela back. Because nkajele go, ni mol be position auto Gambia, eka sila back, so eka feel ko million ke position auto, I have to please them. Wakake number one thing. So, wolbe mu fenneti mi yalon ko mba discuss la, nte mo accuse la, fenna. It's just a discussion. Andumbe la fila minna, laftale even, this issue, although mbake ka UDP platform oleto, bari lafitale anybody who can call as a Gambian, please do call. Mune katina Africa ntelka problem also when it comes to election. Sako presidential election. Because most of our leaders ika corruptly, ika power drunkly. And most of them ika some percentage of dictatorship sotole. But Jumal le katine ikake dictator we the electorates. I am very strong, Tom. I am well prepared. I'm prepared a long time. I am very, very much strong. The games that are going on, there are so many misinformations as well. So this is the reason, Nata, for pre-election. From the administration, that is the president all are surrogates, the people surrounding the president, because they also want to stay in the office. The service people, more especially the presidential service people. Wolomu min fam president o service o min lead wolom he is the commander-in-chief. Womu title oleti. Bari, president mus service mim found la minister. Sometimes the president will be the defense minister in Gambia. He will be the defense minister in Gambia. Bari, the NIA, the secret service, well, they are not under any ministry, they are directly under the president's office. Well, can report President Olaya directly, which is a very important institution, the state security. But alinga jube, the kind of people minul kataraje ani kataramune doku sifala, whether they're doing it for the public or they are doing it pour que president was satisfied for them to be kept in that office. Thank you, Ibn Benin. Assalamu alaikum. So these are issues nyantanga min discourse. Mbenga jele. The biggest democracy in the world is India. After India is America. Gambia could go into America how many times? More than 200, 300,000 times. So when we talk about India, is 1 billion plus people. Gambia ngafole 2 million. So Gambia is too small. But America, this presidential election of Minketa 2020, what happened there? Because they have a president, Mia Longo, he is clueless. And then them sifa manke America. So always nale leader soto, mimbe wanyama drong, ala longo ala election o abe tenslale. Andu albe kuma jamal le moila. But America, they have strong institutions. Gambia, we don't have strong institutions. America, there is corruption there. But if they know, there is a penalty that you will face. Gambia, there is a corruption there. But if they know, in fact, you are promoted. So these are two different things. Two different countries in the planet. Say, ngata ethics lava. Let's compare the American president and in Gambia president, Mimbijenu, Donald Trump, and in Adam. Because it's a little time bender. It's a carbon copy of Donald Trump. Because Donald Trump fanankaitan lego momate makoi, momate Cindy, atele ya fango Cindy, atele Cole Baker fangoye, he's a multi-millionaire. Okay, mbenga alone ko Donald Trump is a multi-millionaire. Mbenga alone, obviously. But let's talk about Adama sign. Adama fananka foleko, atele fankeje, atele found sponsor. But let's check now. Is Adama a millionaire? Adama is as poor as a church mouse. But Donald Trump will kodo inheritly. Because ala father farmer womu jama no leti andu woka muneke immobilian doku akawoleke bungol ka bungol luas molia. Korda bunjamal le soto in America akaminulu di. Okay, Adama, he called himself ko ate fananka immobilian doku oleke, but Adama man bun soto. Adama ka wandi bungol le luasiye. But nyindo dun Donald Trump la kabra mama. Donald Trump was 6 years I aketa millionaire. Mbenga ala history je janne after abirabe 5 years about 5 or 6 molle beje minuli alonko daily wolka Donald Trump damale take care. He was living in about I think 18 or 23 Castle House. Thank you, my brother. But Adama, now let's check. Donald Trump was living as a king. For Labango, abukamo danku wala ya tinala parents wala ya samba in the army. But Adama, so Adama, he doesn't inherit money. He is not from a rich family. Wala ya tinala parents wala family ya di mola mi ya lonko wo at least I fen sotole atata karanta wol bulu abenu steering wall ya. So Nilmu two different people. So Adama is directly an opposite to Donald Trump when it comes to wealth, but when it comes to itella legacy, they're going to be qualified in under one umbrella because they are people who don't respect people who help them. They are people who don't even give regard to people. Everything is about them. Donald Trump Trump Towers jele in New York. Donald Trump have golf places, he have hotels, he have residents. But tell me, Adama Korda Jumale Soto, Welingara Damanga wole long as his resident and in Manka Mankunda, when Manka Mankunda was just Ikamuntako Fonko. Korda Bunda Fangoman Soto Nunge, when we saw that time in 2016, nga picho minge. Korda Bunda Kendo Fangoman Taranunge. Bungo Fangom was not manke bunkendet. Korget rolling. But Wolomala standard, he tried. Ni atrokatele bungo nyilo. The bungola origin mawolong. But how can Adama turn overnight to be a billionaire? So, Walayatina election is very, very important. Ibe Jumale elecla into that office. It's very, very important. Nkafoleko, good afternoon, Kevans, Inumbar. Nkafoleko, asset declaration. Adama minister tale nu 2017. I minister tale minu balanta pour que la asset sol declare oje jalobe wolle kono, but he was serving as a minister. because Munea Tinna OJ was not ready to declare his assets because Anim plan and he want to get more assets through corruption in that government because I know this government is going to be corrupt. Bari Minister Fanal Bijele milliela asset sol declare even Kabriye by Koteke, you tell Minister Kilung Muruta Koteke to Ombudsman to redeclare their assets again. Like Honorable Usainu Dabo, Way Woleke. I am aware of Usainu Dabo ta. Bari, say ni Adama Barrow la assets. Muneba tinan la asset declaration o manya na mabola Gambian supposed to know the president mimbe marakanga mulle soto imanya na dandila within that office inyanta ka fo Gambian kolel because sa imba moy kanako Adama he got stores in Combos and Bakau and all other places and before being a president amawol soto no so wala yatina it is important ngalom before putting somebody into office ngalonga mulle soto Adama bungol minun lo manka mankunda. Before being a president, wal mantrala assets kono. Wal mantrala assets kono. Wal mantrala assets sol kono. So Adama nim plan le nata Gambianol kama. Adama came not to help Gambians but to enrich himself. Nyanta wala lon. Remember. So, Adama natale just to enrich himself. Imagine B, akasi soli pa kwa ate rital. Adama le bota fola sign sa fangole be moto kono. Aning ala security be drive kan. Ako motobi Kalilu Wage moma ko joh. So, ala security ya nyininka, is it a second hand ka ko dede? Libu esla, motobu esla. So, Kalilu Wage, who is Kalilu Wage? Is a Senegalese businessman. A Senegalese businessman. Wolom Kalilu Wage. Mune atina Kalilu Wage be ntelap bankola president. Aka moto kuto sangaye pul akadial. Andun that the same president ntel banku dingolu nga motole sangaye moto miyal motolu babulle moto min tambita maybe moto tanna. Banku dinguli min sangay andu nga budgetole londi wo president min kata for almost $600 million. But why a Senegalese from Senegal and a businessman abe siring Gambia I moto sam president found die off. And we want to elect somebody nga ke officer kono so that molebo Senegal, molebo Burkina Faso, molebo Nigeria, ikaneka motol sangaye aitara president yal. Mune atina wolbe o moto sana president. Do we Gambians ask ourselves about that? Alaji Momodu Musa Njai Sadawda Kairaba Bitang Nenema moy jawara lako ay moto la sangaye. Fenke Alaji Jawara Bakau Nenema moy kay moto la san Sadawda Kairaba Jawara. Salifu Jeite Nenema moy ka nene moto la san Sadawda Kairaba Jawara. Tala Fisco Konada alma ne manin kafarkela nenema moy ko ay motole sa Sadawda Kairaba Jawara nganyil mil betof nenema moy ko motole sa Abdou Diouf sako Ablaye Wade sako Senghor in Senegal. So saying mune batinandla Kalilu Wage will buy a car for Gambian president for president of Fanka Finti afangole ka ofo siloka afango daye mimfo Gambian Kolyamoy. And we want to elect that person to bring him back to the office. Mang dotsol kone kanyinin karoke mune batinan la Kalilu Wage be motosa nante la bankola president. Do we need such kind of president? So wala atina election o kumayata bakel. So ali ajele mune atina alka moyko ibe karteol sanale. dalila jumala atinna alka moy ko ebe mo kurungol le tala ke dundi into our system kanna election o rig ñin dalilo le atinna alka moy fananko Abdou Ndiaye, who is Abdou Ndiaye? ñin dalilo le fanal be atinna alka moy fananko ebe molu talale pour ka IEC use pour president of mimbe siring ay to siring. Yes, the president today, he have some people minulka kodo diala imantani silola so that president will use that money onto the poor people ke suppress, not to help them. Because Kalilu wage mune atina bukela tax Kalilu wage wol la taxo andum Kalilu wage is a foreigner. Kalilu wage ninteka, for example, ndenga fengo samba Gambia nyanta 10% le jola ni Kalilu wage ya samba te nyanta almost 30% jola. It should be more than me. But why Kalilu wage will be a friend to the president? Faka muto kuto sangaye akadial because of his own interest. Thank you very much, Bakari Jammeh. So election is very important. Election manke nyin chicha karla mole siata karla momansia karla fonko nko minka tinna election ka kalnga o discourse public obe UDP bulle already mobe wolonne. That one is not our problem anymore. But munna problem mode how to sensitize our people so that ila voters card ya respect ya lonko nyino muitella county for the next 5 years ya lo mune dalila yatina inyanta mo tombon na kadundi wo office kono. How important that is, rather than ye molu bondi nan Guinele ye molu bon ala foye nga molu bondi nan China le ngemu keke mo fingoliti is, you know, Yalong, my UDP brothers and sisters, there is one thing Telfang will be my understand. Nka relevance kense otanka di molula. When NPP nkolu dammaulu be nyo so kan ka UDP Fon telling command puru tel brief about yendi brief about ntella to aning Usain Dabola na kaduna kombokono. Do we tell them to do that assessment for us? Fon tele bulalaba. Why they want to do it by themselves? Why do they want to do it by themselves? Because ilafta la mindset le falina. These people are not real. For example, Lamin Toure la audio ngamui. Ngala audio lamoy. Ako. O Lamin Toure. Abe diamukan sign Gambia la cour. What the same Lamin Toure nginan. Sunkaro kono. Atele audio bulako. He is going to take one month break. Ate diamula. Sunkaro kono. Oto sai ni momin intel Gambian kolu ani mol milke la moy Lamin Toure la audio la sai eteni Lamin Toure who is fooling who, because Lamin Toure ko imako sunkaro kon ntete politiko mala nte audio dadala because Lamin Toure alonoko ateka audio milu faka fania lefo anda alon ko sunkaro de wo koleatale malla finna sunkaro sacrifice ka faniafo because of Adama Barrow. So mune batinan la sai wo Lamin Toure binale itike famfa ikawla audio la moy when sai nimbe ko mbenga nde sunkaro kon mo kana politiko diam mo kana fendiam. How would it be? Momo ya lonko e ka faniale fonu ibeya ila diamol stop le sunkaro kon because ibukatara alquran karangola 24 hours. Fekara alquran karangan 24 hours. Andu banku kuoto ke da bulaje o mu wajiboleti ku kendo pour ka wongani yela banko wo mu barajo leti mune batinan la ba ko dila wala sunkaro kon he would have got double barajo ni arta kaka tonyalef imela nafiki aje saya be fintikan now ila nafiki ay bam yalo nga kumolo minul be fo kunu Ablay Sanyan lota janne aka UDP bali pamitol la Ablay Sanyan ka si janne mol la nyanto pour ka finti kata kayitandi ake bali pamitol la wo wato itelle ba fokanko yes Ablay Sanya is here to stay Ablay Sanya mu mo kendo bi telle be audio lo bondi kan iko Ablay Sanya need to go wallahi ni momo ka tulung alala e malon nte malon de barin kam min moy kawandi lalla ala ka toñale fasa ala ka toñale fasa andu ngam min moy kawandi lalla ko jahannaba bejele arjanna beje bar ala be dolu dundi la folo jahannam ala mambe tankalala ayne bondi jaye samba arjanna bari mote je abe min dundi la arjanna ayne bondi je aye samba jahannam nine bari dolu beje de because mune yatina o kake akela sinning ila kukendo ni la kujawol akawolle balance oto puruntel fanal nga reflect on na banko la electiono anin na formal leader solul jikolu to wajibolo pour ngafo president sabala tambita Gambia fula sabanja umbe wolo kono from 1965 bringana independence soto onin sign tema is almost 57 years so sign wo president sabol kiliye 22 years leki killing almost 30 years ke baranga koro siro ke sign 22 years and in 30 years yalon 30 le siata bar mo jamale don Gambia de without knowing biri yen 22 years more nata ka 30 years more bondije Gambian jamale don bi they are crying wala ya tinna ngeta jawara e fisir wallolati ala nata jawara fasa because jawara ya la life be ke Gambia le ay fuare ya ta he is one of the poorest African leader andung I mean Saf President Dolma Saf Adama Barrow sign he came he is richer than Jawara after Jawara spent 30 something years Jannabe kela president I sate will represent la as a deputy like Brikam even though amambo Brikam inunto wole kake nalia jube Foni otumo alkal James ke kake la deputy oti Njai kake sere kundala deputy oti and Njai is from Georgetown so otumo ika mol kake tundo la deputy oti la yatre mambo tundo fangoto so nyanta wala jubela fonga na banko nga muru na formal leader solka so sadawda Gambian kol keta fisir walle wolati wala ya tinna birin yaya jamme nata molko aha dinningo nata sojarolom ako atenata is a soldier with different ako they are going to fight corruption. Say, let us compare Yaya Jammeh's corruption to Sadauda. Wala atina Gambia mbe mobe danila. Ntelibie yo mwelenu jawara kordale soto England desan. Ni atara nene nga afon nengola de Sadauda si yamfunye. Bari mbele kafunu. Yara fang Jawara believe in council bungoleto. Comme intella janni ko social. Sadawda la korda jube fajara. Hani nyillete slapol mantaraje mboso fatol lebe juru marinje ikatama wala kayeta la bunkon. Who is that person? Alaji, I have a number there. I think it is better you will call. I have a number. You can call on WhatsApp. You can call on WhatsApp, please. I have a number there if you want to join. Because sometimes ni join on video, I got some problem or deal sometimes. But if you want to join through video, I try nga jube whether it will be able to go. Alaji Gasama. So Sadauda. Okay, Tony Njai, I will come there. High school lol nim phone call. Minalale. So Sadauda is less among corrupt. Among corrupt. Among corrupt. He was very, very kind. Bari, ala kindness, ala administration or dolu, more dolu ye wole use people like OJ wol, kala government damage secretly. But what more? Until be careful ko OJ mo bete ballot. You see, Gambians, mfanka mo ken na public officer akataran na fengo tinyakang, but because ayete favor maybe ayela mole mako aya traveling di wala kudo kairek nkamuta mo ken doti. Because mbeka o moyela nunko OJ aka mol dingol mako elanu ke samba tubabudu. Munatina ke samba tubabudu. Why not I make karandi so that tomorrow they could be doctors, they could be engineers, but ake samba tubabudu. And wol need ada tubabudu ikata munela ikata doku wala. Most of them bakatra karangola. Most of them bukata karangola. Munatina may sponsor from his salary ye karang ye so that tomorrow be is a kenna banko la is a kenna palas nyaton ka tiold ya re karanta with a decent money. But I'm okay. Wotumo wol dolbeje wol kamotol kiaele from Europe ikakuja malka ikakodolu diala just to pay his gesture back because ya feel ko he have helped them elevate their life for them. Ya taram benga lonko OJ Jallos akamin spend akamin soto is less than akamin spend, but our spending is more than akamin soto. Where do he get it? Wala atina biringa be agriculture jeman tama, birabe water resources jeman tama. And nimiye korosiro kenun that time agriculture was very strong in Gambia. Mune o sabu ye mira base area o mafon la utumo kotondol ni benol ni tiol kaboje. Yeta Gambia karo bela tiol kabol mafon la. Sekol be dulal beto. Tia sanal siat, tia tulobe dadala saro. Things were fine. Ikata korda dol kono eketere be dar fan dadala nunton telaw dindi ya wato. Nyin dar ikata ikaje julbo fonku jamba aka jam fatending mobe sira ba nte fonko enjoy nkata sinke jube. Molka wol bekeno bi today buka wolje. Sadauda built high schools in Gambia. Ay karambungol lo ay silo dada silo mi yalon ko wolom Transgambia hani bi wo silo be lorine kabo Banjul kata fo basse Transgambia aliye dalagas remember when wotumo jahali nun konko balle be oto yo konko le fara do ko keta otolde wentel tara do yarine bari do ko keta otolde. So wala adna ni Adama Barrow ko nyantata kumandla sila dada ni bridge dada mansole la fo Adama lumina be bola basse atita nan fonyolo kono ngamra borta siloleka ngamra borta nan siloleka baral nene ka Adama famo moy labe jawara tentu laba jawara build hospitals mi ya lonko Africa ntellanyin sub region o West Africa Guinea Mali Senegal Mauritania ibe kananu Gambia jararu nyinola even though haniata na hospital ol mansia you have Bansang you have Banjul, but they were very good and equipped. So let's go to Yaya Jammeh. Yaya Jammeh came. He built a lot of senior secondary schools. He built Hospital and Gambia University. Bari ngamira kunun Adama Barrow bota fenne inaugurate kan in Jara Soma OMVG when Adama was going to school wo initiate by who wala atinna OMVG la Secretary General Francelo Mbirabe Diamola akoye minute silence ke fosa Dawda Kairaba Jawara Leopold Sidar Senghor and Sekou Touré Adama woman diaye because he was camouflaging people go nyimma tella do kwoti birin nyin ko be sign la ye nyin propose le ko nyin nyanta kelele in the next 50 years to 55 years OMVG and Ninu Vieira was part of it. Sekou Touré was part of it. Sadauda Kairaba was part of it. Senghor is part of it. Bi wol be mantra baluring. Bari bebe single tilinela kaburol konole bi because of munekata. Now people are seeing light in their life. Itelela initiative muwati. Bari mune atina ex-president Sol Buka Pareka wodiamu ila predecessor la success nying. Ibukala fikafu. Just because they want people to keep our minds blind. Yes, ya jame silol dokule. We have to say that. Ninga ya la kuma kendofo. Ya jame supporters are happy. But ninga la kuma dolu fodron. Iko high, we should forget about that. Ali ajele, how selfish human being could be. Bari ninko bi ya jamme silol dokule ay loptano lol ay school lol ay university lol bari wol be ya tatala ay wol tara larin tabulo le kan they were proposals nko alta back 19 Sadio Fati go back to 1980 yes Sweden Jube in 1980 yes Seinam B yes Sweden Jube in 2020 yes, Sweden Jube. You will see a huge difference in their infrastructure. In many of their institutions. Yatra pipeline olomi landitale. Watole bije niwo sita na imintaraje wole bakela. So those projects were Sadauda Kairaba Jawara's projects. University mala project GRTS mala project Airport mala project Coastal Road mala project Jabang Tanje Silo Womu Yaya Jammeh project. We have to give that credit to Yaya Jammeh. Lamin Koto Pasamas. Womu Yaya Jammeh project quality. But it's Sadauda la proposal o lomwoti. Lamin Koto Pasamas. But abenta bring dunia be makoiro sambalana ye wato mindi abenta Yaya Jammeh la wato fe and they coordinated, they did it. Airport the same thing. But sign alinga jube bring dalagas be doku kang ibe osilol doku ke be Bantam Hospital dadale be Banjul RVTH dadala anin Jawara High School minullo. Let us alinga wala engineer lu jube bang minulu ye wol doku oke wedan ka corruption of fango jejele. So Gambian kolu we should start ngam fango say alama ngafo Sadauda ko aya baraka. We have no right to castigate that man. He is the atelemu nafonkoti, our mirror, Sadauda. Sadauda is our mirror. For our long, we have to admit it. Yes, Yaya Jammeh built a lot of schools, but alngan na teachers la quality jube. What more? Gambia College, it is the highest institution in Gambia after sixth form. But Gambia College, what more? Hani graduate Gambia College. Mobe kalo noko, yes, a graduate. But go to high school, sign grade 12. Ye molu nyininka, niye mo sindi ya nyininka from grade 12 student. Ikaiko, can you please tell me what a formal and informal letter is? Most of them don't know. Imalo. Ntelunga oke primary fall. To start writing a formal and informal letter. Primary 4. common entrance o wato pass mako kake jellete ba ni mole ko ke alinga fo Gambia alinga fisir wale ya bula sa daudama alinga fisir wale ya bula sa daudama honestly yalong Gambia nimma muru nga tonya fo wallahi our life would never be comfortable at anene tekela because nka molle nakar we want to take the credit nka molle nakar we want to take the credit wala yatina nimi mala fi sa dawda toyofo ni fana mbota je tote fola because min nata te to fola ateto fola de so alnga son sa dawda toyofo institutional nyanta kala sada wotumo Gambia civil service is one of the most disciplined civil service in our sub-region. Not only our sub-region, in Africa, because Molka Bole for South Africa, go and make research. Ikana civil service training na Gambia, nga moe mamalela, mfama MC Cham, when he went to TRRC. So, but B, alanga civil service compared to that. Alanga civil service compared to that. Radio Gambia, wotumo woda malebe molbulu manji RTS soto. Radio Gambia lebeje. How many people know which foreign president came to open Radio Gambia with Sadora Kairaba Jawara? How many Gambians know? Because we don't ask for our history. How many Gambians know? Manta Jabila signed. Nimi yalo yasa fenye. How many Gambians know? Thank you, my brother Lamin Conte, PWD. Ndefan farmer benu wallet. Tell dad benu wallet as chief government contractor. PWD. Very, very strong institution. Itata nying kumanda marabankol beka ibe PWD taraje. Very strong. Dobe Bakau. You go to Banjul. You go to Mansakonko, you go to Georgetown. PWD, very strong institution Wawato. Yes. Thank you, Kemo Ture. B. Wolubele, they are ghosts today. They are all gone. Wotumo GRTS. Ba, kuma kendol kafoje, news cap D, ekamolu fanal sensitize. President o min sadoda GRTS yele mbal batukan ay fomo ba lonna pour kan reminder la maybe ndefana malo. Thank you, Tony Njai. Very peaceful. It was Yakuba Gowon. This was in 70. Thank you, Kemo. Yalong, tell you, problem o mimbe kono, it is caused by Yaya Jammeh. Honestly, ila omutonyalde. Yes, imagine. Mulberry remind Kanjan. Thank you, Ray Brown. PWD, Airport, GPMB, GPA, CRS, GUC, GPTC, Cooperative, understand. Thank you, Ray Brown. Thank you for this reminder. Thank you. Bari, mbadunga nying audio diala follow alio lamoy nga alala wato diala ransaro sitale. Ransaro sitale benyim belebelo bela jag dim fata 7 mite benkela ko kaburo kon alba safela le RIP nimma baroke RIP ta kala mbarunga salinga audio play nimimbe la mwela nimina salwato sita ul fanale ta salola nseola moy
ya'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim alhamdulillah rabbil alamin baadi on be ala tentilo kolan be sabda kiilaño sallallahu alaihi wasallam albaadi ngolo Mr. Sonko wala bina kaca sudun kela
Hello? Hello? Na? Manyo? Tilbulo felando. Kota? Alhamdulillah. 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 Hello? Hello? Manyo? Na? Network ko. Hani nina musole be dia mola na ka fanya malo jumale akira musole fodi na bara ma fanya exactly jumale mare kada ko parete alo akonya loko bantu madara musoka kataje katka tunaki na ben kola la mengalo ndo mba ko bari ma wrong exactly mo amma mo le so dombe mun kumanda je ntina mo so drone kumanda wo ma ke so bari man ya la funye di bari abari mo ne foite s'il faut gagner ani wala no bari okay but ni na wa fm ni da fana ngaro mba ko ni da fana ko ya la sa fanya iko jumal bande jumal la sama mo bari ma ñu yalo ni ma fonye bem fana fenken da ba kele ha bari te min tamo wo fonte ya skino a ke man on to wala ni ala ni kila man ni ndala mo so mo do fonye mo ba fonye ha okay bari te ko mo al hekatu mole en kolno aka kumale fonye malon
ya auzu billahi minash shaitanir bismillahir rahmanir rahim
ite kolo e man laf ka fonte ben kumande ben kido be farande like ta fola net lo one time it's just crazy
ya auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين بعد أن بألت انتلو كلام بسبب كيلا صلى الله عليه وسلم البعد مولو مستسنكو ولا بنا كجا سدون كلا بي ديماس لونغو October karwatili mwani nani 2021 nga kuma kama dole moyi Yahya Jammela momin na bala kachaki kan gunjuru sati kono telefono to ay UDP la kumo bulaje lafta jere jabila mandin koli ya fure ko nari be diyal al sidiya to nyaka par hanim bi nari be ko al se ko ya to nyaka
Nkolu na be ite kumo folani
barente Mr. Sonko memin tandila ya Jammela wala nyindi ko anene kana si kamira ko UDP nene keta jawotile bari UDP be min no man wala nyindi ko tamandir nyamin bana man sakunda no akoy ta duniya be da kaman beteya segunda killing ba kuma salawalto Yahya Jammeh nde Mr. Sonko mi kan jitenti ani modo min nene be no ma bote no ma ani John Lopi UDP ya John Lopi kamin jitem Bakaw New Town 2009 Kabuso Mandela around 12 o'clock katafo suto papelolu jolalu ani mo kote wal min manke gande dingoti immigration officer ani police wal bijo anin na modol ngamin sute ibe lori be ID card de dale kadi dun tawon ya Jammeh fon banko de dale fo banko tinyalo fo UDP nyanda sila le ajobe ke kanyim banko kan no jama ani mabira ndele nga seria momo en soso ena ngal Qur'an wadake mfangol be lorin ji ba de dala immigration officer hanin bi ni ngaje mba suken o sangole winta baki e UDP da kabiri nga carte fayo man jam fano a carte fayo min natake yidi hani Bakaw UDP janji bari min keta kedam fangol kunka katu momin nato to ke register asiata mo wuli fulotile kati yakele tilfula konto ko woni ko tu min keta ji woni dula kote wol min keta ji ya UDP te sonna ka oje abe ke kan banko ka ye si e bulo la nyoka natra UDP mo ite jawlet to mo min na solo sendem fundita akoluwa min dedata karte fayo Kenya ta nin silo man tay microphone on babun and risa tabun and ko tabun anara mo be lor west nin true democracy de tamaka femman bada ka tandila ko luwa min be keri ngani silo man ta nyinde bota da paran nata nyepita kanana mo yesa ya bute ya fa itata bade ko wulo ya jamini ko woman ketele man sakunda kono walle bulo ti jembe nyinin kala de itena man sati moto mo luwa be tere bulo alala no kan kati tere executive power be tere bulo len fenketele banko ka min keto sifati ibe wullale mo wulindi ako kiskis min bije ya tamandi bari be deri akan tek fola usenda bonara modi wulta e kon bitala ngaji ko ni solo sende mi yanon kon kamo ko ya fade amanke dalilo kanti kan ni mo mutai ka sambalu wale to ya kitin usenda mo yon wulta nyendele tata bar kabiri tata munekete e bendu silo kan e semmo tandile ye muta andu senda mo nyoto mol hande ko kidinte mo bla fontire wato min nakana moli ko be kata dole ti jam bari mbal danida femo fense ko luwati nya dalin kana kenye silo solo sen ne fure wala kendo sula tawon nyinne ka boyda yu senda mo muta ya samba akite be ka dan fawo da kunka katum man kite mi atando da dama da bari min ka tamaje ala dronne ala jojo ka telefono ke janna be kiti kuntula ngoje wol o be kitan kun kanja yo sen dabo mutayas andi sana ko no to mat iba fa ya foyo ko nyim sana ulet jaminin dabo
Allo na ako muna kaya Jumani kabar aku Jumani in nyari ani bye sanggung ke mune ikaran okay barna show kono kabar I'm sorry. I have to stop it here. Kibaro botanye Gambia mimandia. Na bari musole ben call kanga kolata bulu puka afonye. I will stop it here. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Na family, we lost 3 people together today. Mosaba. So I'll be say so duala. Will be fata. 3 people. Biraga sangoto. The accident sort of be fata. Okay, alapara.